Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use Google Voice Typing on the Samsung keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. So this is my Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra device. So let us start. So I am writing a message, okay? And if I try to use a voice input by tapping on this, mic icon, you can see it's using the default Samsung voice input, okay? So how we can use Google Voice Typing on the Samsung keyboard, I'm gonna show you in this tutorial, okay? So let me go back. So first of all, you have to open your settings app. So here is my settings app. Let me tap on it to open it. It's now opened, and after that scroll down and then tap on General Management and then tap on Keyboard List and Default. And you can see guys, here we have this Google Voice Typing, okay? So we have to enable it. So to enable it, we have to enable this toggle button next to it. So to enable this toggle button, just tap on it so that this slider moves to the right. So let me show you. Let me tap on it. And here we have this message at the bottom. After your phone restarts, you need to unlock your phone before you can use this app, okay? So just tap on this OK, this link. And you can see guys, Google Voice Typing is now enabled, okay? After that, just tap on Samsung keyboard and then scroll down to voice input and then tap on it. And then you have to select Google Voice Typing, okay? So to select it, just tap on it. Let me tap on it. You can see it's now selected. After that, just go back. So let's try to use voice input on the Samsung keyboard, okay? So let me open my messages app. Let me delete this text first, okay? Now if I tap on, mic icon, you can see it's using the Google Voice Typing, okay? So it's now done, okay? Let me go back. So that's it guys. Let me close my messages app, okay? And you can close your settings app, okay? So let me close mine. So thanks for watching. In this way you can easily use Google Voice Typing on the Samsung keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.